Namaste children. Let us solve problems from exercise 11.1, 3-dimensional geometry. Okay. Now, problem number 1, if a line makes an angles 90 degrees, 135 degrees, 45 degrees with the x, y and z axis respectively, find its direction cosines. So, what are direction cosines? Direction cosines are nothing but the cos of the angle made by the lines with the positive direction of x, y and z axis. So, if alpha, beta, gamma are the angle made by the lines with the positive direction of x, y, z axis, then cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma are the direction cosines of the line. These are the direction cosines. So, using this formula, alpha is given as 90 degrees. So, which is cos 90, cos 135 degrees and cos 45 degrees are direction cosines. So, cos 90 is nothing but 0, cos 135 we can find cos 135 as cos 180 minus 45, cos 180 minus 45 is cos 45, second quadrant. So, cos 180 minus 45 the angle will come in the second quadrant. So, minus cos 45. So, cos 45 value 1 by root 2, negative of 1 over root 2 and cos 45 1 by root 2. So, the direction cosines of the line is nothing but the direction cosines of a line are 0, minus 1 by root 2 and plus 1 by root 2. Question number 2, find the direction cosines of a line which makes equal angles with the coordinate axis. So, consider the angle made by the line with x, y and z axis as alpha, alpha, alpha. It is given that it is making an equal angle. So, what are direction cosines? It is nothing but cos of the angle made by the line with positive direction of x, y, z axis. So, the direction cosines are cos alpha, cos alpha, cos alpha, and if L, M, N are direction cosines, you know the relation between the direction cosines very well as L square plus M square plus N square is equals to 1. So, this derivation we have done in the proof. Yes. So, L square plus M square plus N square is equals to 1. So, using this relation we can write cos square alpha plus cos square alpha plus cos square alpha is equals to 1. So, which implies cos alpha is equals to plus or minus 1 by root 3. Therefore, the direction cosines are nothing but we have to give the answer as plus or minus 1 by root 3 comma plus or minus 1 by root 3 comma plus or minus 1 by root 3. Now, third question, if a line has direction ratios minus 18, 12, minus 4, then what are its direction cosines? So, try to recollect the formula. If A, B, C are direction ratios DRs and L, M, N are direction cosines DCs, then L is equals to, that is direction cosines in terms of direction ratios, L is equals to A by root over A square plus B square plus C square and M is equals to B by root over A square plus B square plus C square and N is equals to C by root over A square plus B square plus C square. So, using this formula our direction cosines are nothing but L is equals to minus 18 divided by root over minus 18 whole square which is 384 plus 12 square 144 plus minus 4 whole square 16. So, altogether addition root 484. So, which is nothing but 22. Root 484 is 22, L is minus 18 by 22, M value 12 by 22 and N value minus 4 by 22. So, we can do the simplification of these ratios which is nothing but direction cosines are minus 9 by 11 comma 2 by 11 comma minus 2 by, sorry, this is 6 by 11 and last one minus 2 by 11.